All right, guys, Altcoin over here. So the news today is about Binance. Binance Coin, as you guys know, it was up at $258. Right now it's at $230. So the problem is Richard Teng is going to be the new CEO of Binance. But that's not the real issue. The real issue is why. The reason why is because the ex-CEO was involved in an anti-money laundering scenario, and the Department of Justice was involved. So this is crazy news, guys, because I've been talking about this here on Altcoin Daily. It relates to FTX. We know that they've been looking at people very, in a very detailed way about how they were moving the crypto. Now that the Department of Justice knows how people move crypto, what they've done correctly, what they have not done correctly. They also said that Binance was unlicensed. So unlicensed, that's the term that they're using. So this is very interesting, guys, especially how this relates to M2, which I will get into much deeper, but that's in Abu Dhabi, a new cryptocurrency exchange. So we're going to talk about that as well. So the Binance is a huge market, actually. So they wanted to sweep this up really quickly. They know this has been going on, and this has been going on. We've talked about this before, since the FTX. We know that they've been looking into the ex-CEOs dealing with FTX, so there was something going on. So, of course, they've been investigating, and they said, oh, wow, there's some things wrong here, of course. They're saying they're going to pay a $4 billion fine, $4 billion, and people just don't pay $4 billion for the hell of it, right? So there was something going on. And we're going to find out much more about this because there's a lot of details, of course, that are going to come out from the Department of Justice, right? People just don't give out $4 billion fines either. So we're going to find out what the ex-CEO really did because he's already pled guilty. So this has been going on for a while. He must have known, of course, he was going to get indicted, all this stuff. He's been making a deal. So that's the key, guys. He's been making a deal. So they know this has been going on. The CEO, the new CEO just came in right away. Okay, so this was announced last night. So they knew about this already. They already had this planned out. Okay, let's not disrupt the business. Let's put in a new CEO, Richard Teng. He's going to start right away. And they had all this planned out. Why? Not to disrupt the company. So they're saying, okay, continuation of business, etc. But I'm really interested in the price. So I've been saying this, I will not hold Binance Coin. That thing, in my opinion, is going to go down because there's more stuff that's going to come out. So this is just the beginning. They're trying to sweep this away. Okay, yeah, don't look at that. New CEO, etc. But all this M2 in Abu Dhabi is because of this, because people want global transparency around the world. When you invest your monies, and now that BlackRock, Warren Buffett, and key institutional investors around the world, that's just here in the US, but around the world, are investing their monies in crypto, they want to be sure that none of this, clowning around with the monies, that they're playing with the monies like they did with the FTX is going on. Because it's not a couple of $100,000, it's billions of dollars flowing through daily, and people want their monies protected, right? If you invest your money in land or crypto or stocks or whatever, you want to make sure that what you bought is going to be there, right? So all this playing with the monies that wasn't theirs, they don't want that. And nobody wants that, right? So people want a clear, transparent, global exchange. That is the M2. So if you guys look at it, m2.com, that is in Abu Dhabi. Okay, this is real. It's already set up. It opened on November 10th. So this is key, guys, because they're saying, okay, we have everything regulated. These other people don't. And that is a big argument, Where would you invest your money? In Binance or M2? I would do M2. That's my opinion, of course. But you guys do whatever you guys want to do. But I really want to hear about you guys, what you guys think. I know a lot of people do not know about M2 yet. This is something new. It's not here in the US, so it's not so publicized like Binance and FTX was. But guys, look into the M2, m2.com, Abu Dhabi. Okay? Thanks so much, guys.